Hello, my name is Sonova, and I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami whale. Okay, first you need to get a paper. It could be blue, pink, whatever color you want. Turn it around where it's blank. Fold it in half, like this. Make the crease, unfold it, so it's like this. Then fold this, so it's like that. So you gotta fold this, so the end goes to the middle. Make the crease. This time, you don't unfold it. Do the same. Do the same thing on the other side. So now that you have this, fold this. Make sure the point is following along on that crease that you made. Get this, and you fold these corners like so. There's a little bit of here. Okay, so here, like this, folding little in there. Make the crease, keep it, don't unfold it. Do the same with the other side. So it should be looking like this, or somewhere near this. Now, whoopsies, sorry, messed up. Wait, no, I'm sorry, that was good. Okay, you see these corners? Gotta fold. Triangle. Now that you have yours somewhat looking like this, fold it in half. Fold it in half. Fold it in half. Get a pair of scissors. At the sharp end, make a small cut. Put this fin up, and same with the other side. Put this fin up. Then, whichever side you like, fold it down. There you have your whale. Next thing all you need to do, add an eyeball. Okay,